Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best portable washers that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the Ubila Portable Washing Machine. This compact washer is perfect for those who are always on the move or have limited space. Weighing just 3.6 pounds, this machine is ultra lightweight and features a clever foldable design. When folded, it's only 6 inches tall, making it easy to store under beds or in closets. It's ideal for small loads, such as baby clothes, socks, or even delicate items like underwear and towels. The build uses food-grade silicone and TPE materials, ensuring it's safe for intimate apparel. In terms of performance, the Ubila offers 3 cleaning modes with 3, 5, and 10-minute timers. While it's not designed for heavy-duty laundry, it does a great job with small items, and the spin basket helps reduce drying time. However, being semi-automatic, it requires manual attention to switch between washing and spinning. The upgraded dehydration basket is a helpful feature, but brings to completely dry items, so you expect to air dry afterward. The Ubila is a fantastic choice for travelers, dorm dwellers, or anyone looking for a super compact and portable option. Its biggest downside is its limited capacity and the inability to handle larger loads. But if portability and space saving are priorities, this is a great option to consider. Coming in at number 4, we have the Bentree Portable Washing Machine. Like the Ubila, this washer is also foldable and lightweight, weighing just 3.5 pounds. The design is sleek and compact, making it an ideal choice for campers, travelers, and small apartment dwellers. When unfolded, it measures 12 inches tall, and when folded, it's only 6.5 inches, making storage incredibly easy. The use of food-grade silicone materials ensures safety for washing intimate wear and baby clothes. Performance-wise, the Bentree offers 3 cleaning modes, with 3, 5, and 10-minute timers, giving you flexibility depending on the type of laundry you're doing. It features an upgraded dehydration basket that performs well for its size, though it's not meant for larger loads. The noise level is impressively low at just 44 decibels, making it a quiet option for shared living spaces. Users have praised its efficiency with small items, though, like most foldable models, it's not designed for heavy-duty use. The Bentree stands out for its excellent customer reviews, boasting a perfect 5.0 star rating. It's an ideal choice for those who value portability and convenience over capacity. However, its small size and semi-automatic operation may not suit families or those with frequent laundry needs. For light loads and occasional use, this is a strong contender. At number 3, we have the Aravis Portable Twin Tub Washing Machine. This semi-automatic washer is a step up in capacity, offering an 11-pound washing tub and a 7-pound spin tub. It's an excellent choice for small households or dorm rooms. What sets it apart is the inclusion of a drying rack and 10 hangers, which add convenience for drying your clothes immediately after washing. The overall design is compact, with a footprint of just 23.5 by 15 inches, making it suitable for tight spaces. The Aravis features 240 watts of washing power and 110 watts of spin power, ensuring efficient cleaning and spinning for small to medium loads. It offers 3 washing cycles, normal, soft, and spin, and a timer for up to 15 minutes of washing and 5 minutes of spinning. The thoughtful design includes a filter net for quick lint removal and a cover plate to stabilize clothing during spinning. Assembly is straightforward, and no installation is required, making it a plug-and-play option. While the Aravis is a solid performer, it's not as portable as the smaller foldable models, due to its size and weight. Additionally, it's semi-automatic, meaning you'll need to transfer clothes between the wash and spin tubs manually. For those looking for a more robust, space-saving washer with added drying accessories, the Aravis is a fantastic mid-tier option. In second place, we have the Costway Twin Tub Portable Washing Machine, which is our budget-friendly pick at $199.99. This washer offers an impressive 26-pound total capacity, with 18 pounds for washing and 8 pounds for spinning. Its twin tub design allows you to wash and spin simultaneously, saving time and effort. The compact dimensions make it suitable for apartments, dorms, and RVs, and the transparent lid provides a clear view of the washing and spinning process. The Costway features a durable motor with 280 watts of washing power and 140 watts of spin power, ensuring efficient and quick cleaning. The knobs allow you to set washing times up to 15 minutes and spinning times up to 5 minutes. The built-in drain pump makes water drainage easy and convenient. However, the machine doesn't fully dry clothes, so some air drying is necessary. The design is sturdy with a combination of ABS and polypropylene materials. This washer is perfect for those who need a reliable, cost-effective solution for medium to large laundry loads. Its downsides include a heavier weight, 33.5 pounds, and the need to manually transfer clothes between the tubs. Nonetheless, for the price, the Costway offers excellent value and functionality, making it ideal for families or frequent users on a budget. Finally, taking the top spot is the Yumi 1.03 cubic feet portable washer. This premium option offers a perfect blend of performance, design, and functionality. With a capacity of 8.8 pounds, it can handle up to 20 shirts in one load, making it great for small households. The sleek design features a transparent lid, LED display, and a stainless steel inner drum that's rust-resistant and durable. At 39.6 pounds, it's heavier than others on our list, but includes grooves for easy transportation. The Yumi truly shines in its advanced features. With 10 washing programs and 5 selectable water levels, it provides unmatched versatility. Whether you need a quick spin, a deep soak, or a rinse and spin combo, this washer has you covered. The built-in drain pump and adjustable feet ensure ease of use, while the child safety lock adds an extra layer of security. The machine operates quietly and efficiently, with a filter disc for lint and pet hair removal. Though it's the most expensive model at $239.99, the Yumi justifies its price with its robust build, advanced features, and exceptional performance. It's the perfect choice for those who want a high-quality, all-in-one solution for their portable washing needs. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.